Hey guys, so today I will be doing a knotless braid for you. So right here I'm just putting on the jam and applying the product. Then I'm splitting it into 3 pieces so I can start my braid. They don't have to be even, but just make sure it's good enough for you to grip. So I'm going to go right first, then I'm going to hit back left. And then right here, in between my 2 fingers, I'm going to place a piece of hair. Then I'm going to go back under, just like if I'm braiding normally. Then I'm going to go back under again. Then I'm just about to get another piece in a second. So it's going to look like that, as if you're doing like a normal braid on your hair. Second piece goes under again. Flip it over, then go underneath. It should look something like that. Grip it tight. And then I add one more piece, so I'm only doing like 3 pieces for this one braid. Then I go back under again and repeat the process. And if you need more hair and it starts to get a little thin, you can add more hair. Add jam as you go so the ends won't come out, and start braiding normally. Then this is how it should look. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you stay tuned on my TikToks and on my social medias. Bye!